Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are looking to download the Castle app on your iOS device, you are in the right place. I will guide you through the steps to get the application up and running on your iPhone or iPad. So let's dive in. So start by opening the App Store on your iOS device. You can find the App Store icon on your home screen, which is the blue icon with a white A. Tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in Castle app. Make sure to spell it correctly to find the exact app you're looking for. So once you find the Castle app in the search results, tap on the Get button to download it. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. After the app has been downloaded and installed, tap Open to launch it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account and start using the Castle app on your iOS device. And that is how you download and set up the Castle app on iOS. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.